Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. TVJ Sports understands that there is huge support for the inclusion of a men's 4x400 meters relay at 8:05 p.m. on Sunday, June 30, the final day of the National Senior Trials at the National Stadium. Jamaica is set to make a last-ditch effort to qualify its men's mile relay team for the Paris Olympic Games, having failed in 3 previous attempts. There is a proposal to have the top 16 competitors in the 400 meters advance to the semi-final round of that event at the national trials, with a view to reduce the number of rounds on the top runners in an attempt to run the mile relay. A final decision will be made today, and also a likely adjustment to the overall schedule to reflect the men's 400-meter final on Saturday's penultimate day. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, summoned athletes, coaches and other support personnel to a virtual meeting on Tuesday evening to discuss the details and preparations for the event. Sunday, June 30 is a deadline for Olympic qualification. Jamaica's team failed in its most recent effort to qualify for the mile relay at the Paris Games, despite winning the event in 2 minutes 59.75 seconds at the NACAC New Life Invitational Meet in the Bahamas on Sunday. Jamaica's men must run faster than 2 minutes 59.12 seconds to qualify for Paris. Now, Jamaican West Indies captain Rovman Powell says they are wary of the English threat, but the regional men must continue to show their dominance as they look to maintain their unbeaten start to the ICC T20 World Cup this evening when they oppose defending champions England in their opening Super 8 match at the Darren Sammy Cricket Stadium in St. Lucia. The Caribbean men cantered to victories against New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Uganda and Afghanistan, and in the process moved to 8 straight wins in the format for the first time.
I think the conditions is pretty good. You know, it's good for batting, it's good for bowling. You know, it makes for very good cricket. You know, when you look on the English team, they are defending champions, and you know they are a very good team. You know, so it's for us now to just sit and find some plans and see how those plans can work against them.
England escaped the group stage just getting by, winning 2, losing 1 and getting a no result. The match bowls off tonight at 7:30 with the Windies winning 5 of their 6 World Cup encounters against the English. A noted sports attorney, Dr. Emir Crown, is among a team of 4 attorneys who will represent Jamaican judoka Ebony Drysdale Daly in a matter before a disciplinary committee following her suspension by the Jamaica Judo Association, JJA. Dr. Crown is joined on the defense team by Jamaican attorney Saeed Bernard, as well as Matthew Gale and Jason Jones of New City Chambers in Trinidad. Drysdale Daly was suspended last Friday by the association after she publicly accused them of sabotage for refusing to enter her for the final Olympic qualification event in Peru. Dr. Crown spoke with TVJ Sports on Tuesday.
We are hopeful that we will not only receive the particulars of what Ms. Drysdale Daly has been accused of, because to date there have been no particulars. It's just been a generalized letter that she received without even seeking an explanation from her.
The JJA says Drysdale Daly violated Article 17, which mandates that members must adhere to the Code of Ethics and prohibits actions that bring disrepute to the association. Drysdale Daly created history by becoming the first Jamaican to compete in judo at an Olympic Games when she competed in Tokyo in 2021. The 29-year-old also took silver at the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. And that's it for your Midday Sports. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.